Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to our series of videos in which we are showing you how you can you can develop a dashboard, and in which on the front end you are using Microsoft Excel, and on the back end we use Microsoft Access. Okay, so Excel and Access. Yeah, Excel on the front end and Access DB is on the back end. And in our previous video, we showed you how we can create a new user account with a different mode other than the per day mandate description. Let's try more way of different mandate descriptions. So let's create a new one. Let's say any hmm, uh, Minolta Minolet. Whatever. Okay, okay. So it's the user ID is auto-generated. Now let's say that we are going to use last day of every month. Right? Okay. So before we do this, we would like to put a breakpoint so that okay, we do the later on. We don't. Let's do it without making any breakpoint. Okay. If it works fine, that's fine. If it requires some correction, then we will do it. Okay. So what is the starting date? Say the starting date is, for example, uh, the last day of February was 28, 28 February. Mm. It was the starting point, right? In the year 2023, for example. Okay. And the unperformed time is right from the very first day until, say, um, 28, 25. Yeah, 28, 2025. Okay. And the rest. So each month, every on the last day of every month, is supposed to uh, meet the 60 outlets, to visit 60 outlets. Okay. Six outlets. Okay. Six outlets every month. Okay. Fair enough. And your local rate is, for example, 700 PKR and PKR. This is the local rate. Okay, that is related to some administrative expense or can be anything, right? Some financial side but for sure it is related to the overdues, right? Means the tasks which are not performed. Hmm? If the visits are not done, then per visit that is going to be taken as a cost. Okay, and let's type the email addresses. That is any at test123.com. Okay. And the city is, for example, uh, city is a Tokyo. Okay, Tokyo. And country is, for example, uh, Pakistan. Okay. And the report title is the outlet mission for the visiting mission. Outlets. Relationship management. Okay, this is the report title. Okay. Now let's see when this is going to be added, what happens? So 6 is the mandate last day of every month, let's say. Okay, and the name, this is any M001. Okay, let's add. So it is adding, and we go and see what happens into the database, right? You see any node will appear when you refresh it. Yeah, this is, yeah. Right. And this is the local any no, this is not then right anyway. This is this one, relate. Okay. and the last day of every month. Wonderful. Okay. And now see, now actually, this is our test, whether our program worked well or not. So we have to see that what has in the any this is. So this is, you see, it has taken all the uh, days, but you see, it got something wrong, that it is started, but it is not doing the right thing, right? Because had it done the right thing, then there would have been some gaps of 30 or 20, more than 28 days. Hmm? The due days should have been with the gaps of at least 28, 29 days, or 30 days, 31, 30, 31 days. These are the last days. So we have to check it, that what went wrong, right? So one thing is for sure, that we got to delete all these records, since it has not worked well. So we delete all these records. All the records are deleted from the master for this user only, right? And we clear all this, that's right. And we delete this record as well. Hmm? So we do not want to keep anything which is incorrect. So let's delete that. It is deleted. Now there's no such record available in here. Let's delete it as well. That should all automatically vanish from us, but just to make sure that we do not want to keep any such information, which is project in which we got to visit the outlets. So, and we have put the breakpoint, so it will stop right exactly where we need to diagnose that what is happening, why that where we need to do some rectification, right? This is right. So it will reach to the 1st of March, right? At the moment it is 1st of March. So 1st of March minus 1, that is 28th of February. That's right. So the check is 28th of February. That's right. So this is the first day which should be kept and should be replaced into the database, right? So what is the DD? Okay, so ID, and yeah, so DD is 28th of February. That's right. So let's press F8. Oh, it is doing right. It is now getting this converted into the number, which is going to be uh, replaced into the due date field of the table, right? So that's F8. That's right. That's right. So what is the value of this? Let's add watch. Add watch will tell you what is the value in here. You say add watch, so that it will appear in here, and you will see what is the value. That is 28th of February. That's right. So it is being replaced into the database, and it is going to be due. That's right. And this time it is going to check whether it should be marked as unperformed. Yes, it is going to be marked as unperformed. That's right. Okay. The next is, here it is adding adding 1 into the 28th February. That makes first of March, right? So this is 1st of March. Okay. Now it should pass on all those days until the 31st of March, right? So it is taking us again and again, and it is checking if it is the last day. If it is the last day of the month, then what it should do. Uh, so in the last day of the month of March is not 28, it is it is 20, it is, you see, this should become 31, right? So let's see what happens. Press A. Okay, it will now keep on adding, keep on adding, keep on adding until the month changes. And it will take you to 31st of March will be the date. 31st of March. So what is the DT? DT is now 23. Okay, and then when it will go out from the loop, so that is, it is now 1st of April. That's right. 1st of April minus 1, that makes 31st of March, right? So 31st of March will come. That's right. That's what it is doing. That's good. Now it is going to go to the else condition, and it is going to add this into the AE, and you will see that, yeah, that is, this is where it is making the problem. This is where it has made the problem, because the DD is 1st of March. DD was not supposed to be used because it was 1st of April. So you got to be here and the DT, not DD. It should be the DT, because so this is probably the reason why. Yes, because this was DD, no, DT. So check of DT is this, uh, and we should make the DD equal to DT. Should do DD is equal to DT. Right, because DT is 31st of March and DT should. Okay. So that is where we have to rectify it. And what we do here, this is where we run this command so that the problem is settled, is resolved. Next time, this error will not occur, right? So now you have the DD is corrected. Previously it was showing 1st of March instead, right? So it should be, DD should be updated to 31st of March. And now let's get back to where it was doing the job. Yeah, where a new is already done. And here, this is the position where we want to bring the control. Okay, let's execute this. Let's execute this command. This command, okay? So now you have the right value of DD and press F8, right? And now it is going to replace the right DD in here and marked as this. That's right. So let's see what happens the next month. What happens to the next month? So it has entered into April now. Yeah. Now, will it get the right day for the last day of the month? For the April will be 30th, right? So let's play. So this is where it is now in May, and 1st of May minus 1, that is 30th of April. That's right. And that's it. Okay. So this way we have resolved it. We remove all the breakpoints from here, and let's hope that it works well. It has generated very well. Now let's see how many months has it done, right? It has added the master record of the user that is in the user table. You have this correctly added. Last of every month is the mandate description, 6 mandate, the 6 trips she needs to do. Okay, on to report on every last day of every month, right? And how about the master? Well, this is where we have to see what happens. So it should come with the gaps of 30 days each, right? And okay, yeah, that's right. Okay, so it is started with the 1, 2, 3, all the sets, and these are all okay. So let's clear this filter as well. So you have how many? 213. 213 still I think it is still, I think it is, if we go to the last record, then it would show the right thing. This is right, this is right, right? And the first month is this one, right? Hey, these are performed and these are not performed, that's right. So bottom records are correct and some other records are not correct, right? So because we did not remove the complete sets of the previous data, we got to clear it and we got to clear all the filters are clear. We select entire thing and we delete. The next we also remove this. So hopefully this is our final try in which we create a new user with the last day of every month. So that is first day, this is last day of every month. What we say, 28th of February, 2023. And right from the beginning, we have to unperform it, right? Let's unperform this into here, Control V. Okay, 28th of February, 2023 until the 28th of February, 2025. Say 2025. Okay. Right. Let's see what happens. This is 6. And our rate is 700. Currency PKR. And this is any. And okay, city is Tubatik Singh in Pakistan. And this is customer outlets, visits. Okay. Okay. So it has added. Now let's see what happens into the database. Okay. So we refresh all here. Okay. So this is correctly done. And let's this is the right. Okay. And you have 31 months. That sounds reasonable, right? 31 months are listed and right from the beginning. And it is now, and from February, this is March, is already performed. April, May, June, July, August. That's right. That sounds perfect. It's working. Okay. Now let's get back to this sheet and say, let's report some activity for this user. It will come. Yeah. Yeah. And this is our first say. So what has she performed, for example, say 3 months, for example. Okay. Three, uh, backlog of 3 months because it's a monthly activity. So 3, he has from the total overdue, he has performed 3. So 3 multiplied by 6. So 3 into 6, 18 will be reduced from the overdue. They will be added into this. That would make 52 or something like this. Okay. So let's add. So 54. Yeah, that's it. And it has done the update of the report. You can say it started from the from the 28th of February, and then 31st of March. And you see it is going to the last day of every month. And it has been updated on technique. So the backlog for this user has been set up to be cleared, and every day or every next time it can allow you to do the settlement of the backlog, clear the backlog. So current status, you can see it by clicking on it, and you will get a chart, right? Your chart is not appearing, so that is as this we have to check it out. So this is the chart. Now it is showing that it has 186 outlets to visit, of which it has performed the staff has performed 54. Okay, and so 132 are overdue. So day to day, when he or she will report the visits, so that would be updated, and the chart will be updated and will be reported that what is the status of his overdues. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.